Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my linen closet organization and give you guys a little tour of what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is my linen closet. It is quite small inside, and we have to share this linen closet with our kids. So there's only one linen closet for 2 full bathrooms. So in the master bathroom and in our kids' bathroom, there is no linen closet. Because it is really small, I had to really be intentional with the organization and space in here and try my best to keep everything nice and tidy. So in this brown wicker basket, this actually used to be a diaper caddy for my daughter when she was an infant. I just kept it, and now I am currently using it to store a blood pressure cuff, some ACE bandages, and items such as that. Right next to that is our Vicks vaporizer, and in this little basket right here, we have our extra toilet paper and extra trash bags for the trash cans in the restrooms. And in this basket right here, I just have extra pillowcases and an extra set of sheets for our bed. And in this basket, I just have hand towels, and the one next to that, I have some face towels. And right underneath that, we have all of our towels. And let me know if you guys are interested in a towel folding video. The way that I fold the towels just really makes it easy for the kids when they want to grab one, because the way it's folded, it's not going to pull anything else out, so it just comes out really easy, and it's nice and compact, so I can fit several in. So those are all our towels. These are all the ones that we have. We are currently using 4 of them right now, so with the exception of 4 that are missing, that's all the towels that we have, and they're just enough, the perfect amount for each of us to have a towel, and extras just in case we have some guests staying with us. And in this plastic bag down here, we just have a couple of extra blankets for winter time, so just for extra warmth. But in our old house, we had so much more than this. It was terrible. Most of it was from my husband. So it took quite a bit of convincing him to let me donate the blankets that we weren't using. So we were able to get rid of a lot of blankets before we came to the new house. So I'm happy with that. We just have what we need. So that is how I have the linen closet organized. And it functions perfectly for us. We're not lacking anything. There's not too much of anything. It's just the right amount. The baskets I got from Tuesday Morning, and I believe this one I got from Target. So you can find baskets like that for very inexpensive at Target, or like I said, Tuesday Morning. Tuesday Mornings tends to have a lot of inexpensive baskets that are really cute. Aesthetically, it's pleasing to the eye, but it also functions to organize and keep everything compartmentalized, and it's easy to get what you need without dropping all the towels and linens all over the place. So I really do encourage you guys to go through your linen closet and see if there's any items that you can either donate or throw away, and just get rid of those things that you're not using or don't serve a purpose. Like I said, I just keep what it is that we need and what we're using, and I don't have more than that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and seeing a tour of my linen closet and how it is that I have it organized and set up. I hope that it inspires you to organize your linen closet as well, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye!